Question number 1 says two fair six-sided dice with faces labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are thrown. The two scores are noted. The random variable x is defined as follows. If the two scores are equal, x is equal to 0. If the scores are not equal, x is the larger score minus the smaller score. Draw up the probability distribution table for x. So as two dice have been thrown together, first of all we will have to find the possible cases, okay, before drawing the probability distribution table. Let me draw the cases, okay. Well, I have prepared the boxes for this. Okay, they have told that, once again let us have a look at this. If the scores are equal, then it is 0. Actually, if we subtract equal quantities from each other, it is 0. Or score will be the larger one minus smaller one, that is subtraction. Simply it is subtraction. So let us see. If we subtract, it is going to be 0. If we subtract, it is 1. It will be 2, 3, 4, as well as 5. For the next one, if we subtract, it is going to be 1. If we subtract, it is 0. If we subtract, it is going to be 1. Then 2, 3, 4, as usual. Then if we subtract, it is going to 2. It is going to be 1. It is going to be 0. Then 1, 2, 3. You can easily write. Then it is going to be 3. It is 4. It is 5. Again 2, 3, 4. Then it is 1, 2, 3. Then this is 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 5 minus 5 is 0, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So 0, 1, 2, then 2, 1, and 1, then 0, and this is 1, this is 2. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that's are the possible cases. Now we will have to know how many zeros are there, how many ones are there, how many twos are there. So we can write here, if we write x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, when our probability p of x is equal to x, sorry, when x equal to 0, okay, then it is going to be, sorry, not 0, it is x, lowercase x is equal to, look at this, how many zeros are there. If we see straight away, there are 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So it will be 6, and total number of probability, I mean outcomes, is 36. Okay, when x is equal to 1, then our probability is going to be x. Let's see how many ones are there out of 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. Are there 9 ones? Let me count once again. One with different ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ones. So it is going to be 10 over 36. 10 over 36. Well, then the next x value, our x value is going to be what? When x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, our probability is going to be, so how many 2's are there? Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 2's. So 8 over 36. Then if our x takes the value of 3, when x is equal to 3, then our probability of x It is 36 on 36 and it 3. So how many threes are there? So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 threes. Okay, as I do not have space over here, I think I can write just on the left side. Okay, so on the left side, when x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, then when probability is going to be, probability of x, let's see how many 4s are there. How many 4s? 1, 1, then 2, 3, 4 fours. How many fours are there? Total 4 fours. And how many fives are there? 1 and 2. There are only 2 fives. Okay, so 4 and 2, the next two probabilities, 4 and 2. So it is 4 out of 36, 4 fours, and 2 fives, 2 out of 36. Well, when x is equal to 5, our probability is going to be 2 over 36. So that's all about our probabilities. Now easily we can write our probability distribution table. Let me write probability distribution table here. In words, I will write here probability distribution table. Probability probability distribution table. Probability distribution table. Okay, first of all I will prepare the box. Let me draw the table. Yes, so the table will look like this. Okay, this is our table. So on the upper box x, and it is x is equal to lowercase x. So what our probability? 0. What are the numbers? X takes the values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5. So for the first one, let us go back to our probability. When x is 0, our probability is going to be, what is our 6 over 36. So if we write 6 over 36, 6 over 36 is equal to how much? If we divide 6 by 36, it is going to be 0.167. So 0.167, 0.167, the first one we are expressing in a decimal. Then 10 divided by 36 is 0.278, 0.278. If we divide 8 by 36, it is going to be 0.222, 0.222. Then if we divide 6 by 36, it is going to be 0.167, 0.167, 0.16 and 7. Then the remaining two probabilities, when x is 4, our probability is going to be what? When x is 2, probability 2 over 36 is 0.056, 0.05 as well as 6. And when probability is 4 over 36, it is going to be 0.111, 0.111. So we will just insert these values in our box. So let's start writing there. The first one is, first three probabilities are what? 0.167, 0.278, 0.167, 0.167. Then second one is So this is our probability distribution table of these 6 values of x. Now let's move on to the immediate next question. Let me write this number. So this is whole of our solution to the first part of the question. Okay, then the next one says find ex and variance of x. That means expected value, I mean mean. First of all, they have told us to find the mean, I mean ex. And we know ex is equal to ex. Let me change the color of the ink. It is ex, and we know ex is actually mean of the value. So how can we find the mean? Our denominator in all cases is 36. Look at this, it is just 36 in every case, 36. Okay, so I think I can explain this a little more by this. Ex is equal to sum of that is mean value, sum of x into probability of x. That means we will multiply each of the probability by x and we will do addition. So in all cases, the denominator is 36 if you see, because total number of outcomes is 36. Okay, now if we multiply by x, here x is 1, sorry, first one is x is 0. By 0, if we multiply, it is going to be 0. So 0. Then by 1, if we multiply 10, it is going to be 10. Then by 2, if we multiply 8, it is going to be 16. After that, x is 3. By 3, if we multiply 6, it is going to be 18. Then our x is 4. If 4 multiplies 4, it is 16. Finally, our x is 5. If 5 multiplies 2, it is 10. So totally our ex mean value is how much? 10, 6, 26, then 44, 60, 70. So it is 70 over 36. If we round it up to three significant figures, I mean in decimal fraction, it is going to be, let me write in decimal point, 70 divided by 36. 70 divided by 36 is equal to, let us use our calculator, it is going to be 1.94. 1.94 is our mean value. Then they have told us to find the variance. Okay, how can we find variance? Variance is equal to variance of x. Variance of x is equal to e x square. Variance will come later on. First of all, let us find e of x square. So e x squared. E x squared is equal to, the same way it will be, let me expand one more step, that is sum of x square into each of the probability. Probability x equal to x equal to, okay, equal to, now we are going to write, in this case also denominator is 36 in each case. Okay, so 36, if it is 0 square, if we made x square, so 0 square means 0, so first one is 0 as usual, and the second one is 1 square, so 1 square into 10 means 10. Then the second one is 2 square. 2 square means 4, 4 8s are 32. 32 plus third one is 3 square means 9. So 9 sixes are 54. 54. After that 4. So 4 square means 16. 16 fours are 64. Plus next one is 5 square means 25 twos are 50. So this is 50. Hence our ex square is going to be 36, and if we add up all of this, so 2 4 6 6 4 10, this is 10, and 1 5 6 12, 17, 20, 21. So 210. We have got ex square, but that is not the final answer. For final answer, we will have to write a variance. Okay, let me write on the left side. On the left side, we can write variance is equal to variance of x equal to ex squared minus whole square of mean value. Okay, so mean value is ex square is what? Just we have found here ex square is 210 over 36. So we will write 210 over 36 minus ex whole square is, sorry, ex whole square is 70 over 36. So 70 over 36, 70 over 36 squared. Let me draw a division line. Okay, then it is going to be, let us use our calculator. 210 over 36 minus 70 over 36 whole squared, it will show 2.05. 2.05 is our variance. So that's all about the finding probabilities of each of the values, then finding expected value as well as variance. Expected value and variance is 2.05 is the final answer. 2.05 is our final answer, and variance is actually expected square of expected value minus mean square. Mean means ex whole square. If I draw a black line, yes, as there is the shortage of space, the digits may be very clumsy and congested, yet I explain every tiny part, so I don't think that it will be very difficult for you to understand, and it is one of the most usual and easiest questions. So thank you all for being with me, and may Allah bless all of the students with beneficial knowledge.